second day out here on the Long Island Sound. Gonna go out for blackfish by myself, see if we can get anything, maybe get some porgies, get some blackfish, see how it goes. Bring some blackfish home will be great. All right, well, thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and see if we get on some fish. Big Yacker out. Moving out the inlet, we're gonna make a right, head east, look for some rocks to jig on top of. See if we could build a bite, see if there's any crab pots I could tie onto, and just so I don't have an anchor, tie into the crab pots. Hopefully the current isn't too bad. Winds are definitely good right now, so we'll see how long that lasts. Current's strong, we're still on moon tides. Little fog, so good thing I'm not gonna be out too far. So try to get to 20 foot of water. Nipples are ready. All right, all right. First fish of the day. It's a small one though. All right, we'll take it. Take a small one to start. It's actually not bad for starters. Not bad to start. It's definitely too small, but it's a good starter fish. Maybe we'll get lucky. We get some we get a measurement to gauge where I'm at. All right, we're at 13.5, which is awesome. It's a good starting fish. A lot of stuff down there, a lot of stuff down there. I like it. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Still small, I think, though. Yeah, smally. They're all 14s, though. They're better sizes than I've been catching the other day. It's like another 14. That one. Perfect conditions. It's another good one. Another one. Let's keep that pressure on, baby. Keep that pressure on. Oh, that might be a keeper. That might be a Big Daddy keeper, maybe. That might be a keeper. No, maybe not. It's probably the biggest fish I've caught since I've been here, though. Jesus. Ah. Oh, closer. 15. All right, well, we're getting there. 15, baby. We're on them. We're definitely on them. We're on them, baby. We're on them. They're not a bit small, which is nice to see, but I don't know if that means there are going to be any big ones in this area at all or what. Have to find out. Another one. Man, they're like so close to keepers, like all of these different sizes, but geez. They're all like 14s, 15s. They're not small. This is probably another 15 or so. Yeah, another 15. Another 14, but still, like, they're not even small. It's like I gotta measure every one. goodness. I measure like every single fish. Just chummed up the water for myself here. This should be a good sign. I hope this is a big one because I got the whole crab on it. It's fighting like a big one, but they always fight big on the bottom. They always fight big on the bottom, and then on the way up they feel smaller. Oh, sea bass. Is that keeper sea bass, maybe? No, maybe not. Maybe. First sea bass of the day. I think this might be a keeper, actually. 16.5, I think it needs to be. Yeah, right at 16. They gotta be 16.5, I think, for sea bass. So throw that one back. Gotta weed through these small ones. It's crazy. Take it. Come on. It's a good fight one. Don't know if it's going to be big enough though. Definitely a good fight. I don't know. Oh, ooh. Gotta be, no, maybe not. Maybe just short again. Maybe just short again, maybe. Just short again, my guess is just short. 15 maybe. Just short. Oh no. Yeah, 15. And they gotta be 16. So just short. A bunch of 15s is crazy. Nice and fat too. Not the best release, buddy. Every drop I'm getting fish. It's ridiculous. Just keep on that pressure. I'm gonna reel it in quickly so keep the pressure on. Like I caught you before. I'm gonna guess 15. I'm gonna guess 15. I'm catching the same fish at this point. Yep, there we go. He's hooked now. He's hooked now, baby. Ah, tiny. Ooh, porgy. Got a porgy. All right, 3 different breeds today. porgy. Good to see you guys are around. I kept a couple of you the other day, but I'm not gonna keep any today. Porgy. First blackfish in a while if I get a blackfish. Ooh, got a little pulling. Is it a keeper? Is it a sea bass maybe? Oh, it's actually fighting pretty hard. This might be my first keeper of the day, baby. Come on, be a keeper. Keeper sea bass. That's probably not a keeper. Might be. Maybe. Maybe a keeper sea bass, baby. Maybe. Oh yeah, this is definitely a keeper. No, maybe not. I think it was close anyway. Maybe than 17, but maybe not close enough. You can fight, but it's not big. Man, these are so close, bro. Let's turn me around again. 14 and a half. 14 and a half. There we go. Got the juices flowing. Hope this is a big one. Hope this is a big one. It's fighting hard by now. Big old sea bass, maybe. Oh, wait a minute. That's the first keeper of the day. Come on, baby. One keeper an hour. Every 2 hours or whatever. Whoa, that's a keeper. It's gotta be. It's gotta be a keeper. This has got to be my keeper of the day. The big one. Well, for me. Well, it's over 16, so we're keeping you, buddy. 16. All right, first keeper of the day, of the weekend. All right, yes, sir. There we go. How do you not swallow that piece? It's so tiny. I feel like a porgy. Oh no! Just came up with. It's funny. Now you're fighting. Oh no! I didn't take it. Sea bass. Small sea bass. There you go, see, buddy. Oh, there's one on there, huh? Let it go long enough and it stayed on. I feel like a foul hook one though. Feels very foul hooked. Yeah, porgy. Oh, not a foul hook, just a porgy though. I haven't caught one of these in a bit. I can't complain. Finally. Good Lord, that took a while. I hope it's worth it. I hope it's worth it, baby. Probably not. Probably close. Definitely close. That's not big enough. That's not big enough. Not big enough. That's one. Finally. Oh, we'll fight. It's not that one's the problem. They don't feel like they're fighting hard. This could be a bass, maybe. Black sea bass. Oh no, it's definitely a blackfish. It's definitely a blackfish. It's not big enough. Give you a measure. It might not be big enough. I think you're short. I think you're short, bro. Oh, right at 16. Right at 16. Oh my gosh. Do I keep you or not? Shit. 16 inch. We're gonna let it go. It's a little too close for me. Oh, please be big. Please be big. It's a grind here these last 40 minutes or so. Oh, yeah. You're probably not big because I noticed the big ones weren't pulling as hard. Nope. Buddy. Oh my god, there's like tons of bait. Are you kidding me? Tons of bait left. Are you kidding me? Just like last time. Oh, I'm definitely not done. Oh, got a keeper sea bass, and I got a keeper black and a keeper sea bass. Got a little bit of late bait left. Sure, I feel like this is gonna stay on. I feel like a porgy. Definitely feels like a porgy, if anything. It's not fighting very hard. Yeah, it's definitely a porgy. A small porgy. Kind of what I'm dealing with now. Small. Another one. I feel like another porgy. It's probably gonna let go on the halfway up. It's probably chewing on the legs I had on there. Oh, small blackfish actually. Tiny one. Hey, buddy. Not too big. Well, this could be surprised me. The blackfish that were not that big come up actually like they're smaller. So, I mean, small, but Bigger than the other one. Buddy. Oh, yeah. Fight harder than that, buddy. I want you to be a big one. How much time left here? Goodness. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Might have a keeper here. Maybe not. No, maybe. Might be keeper number 2. Might be keeper number 2. Let's check it out. Now we let him go. I think it's gonna be small, it's gonna be short. Might be short. Nope, keeping. All right, keeper number 2, baby. All right, well, I think that's gonna wrap it up today. I was out here for 4 or 5 hours. Fishing was good from the start. I was getting bites. They were bigger than the first couple days. Even the shorts were bigger. I got 14, 15 inches. I did get 3 keepers, but one was so close I put it back. It was like right at 16, so I didn't want to risk anything there getting too close. Kept 1 black sea bass and 2 blackfish or tautog. The limit is 3 per person for both. I did catch another black sea bass that was close and jumped out of the boat. Overall, the fishing was great today. It was definitely worth the trip. Glad I got some more meat for the freezer. Hopefully have some fish tonight for dinner. Take some fish back to Maryland with me, which will be awesome. So I'm gonna head back now. Wind's picking up a little bit. Still not bad. Overall, great day of fishing. I'd definitely come back out again on this. Conditions were phenomenal. A little scary with the fog. I was able to handle that, and I have my fish finder, and I also have my phone. So I can always find my way back. I'm gonna go back in. Thanks again for watching. If you haven't done so already, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. I have 6, 7, 8 more viewers to go to subscribe, and we'll do another giveaway. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Big Yakker out.